Transform your living space with these inspiring living room design ideas. From chic minimalism to cozy bohemian retreats, discover creative ways to enhance your home's ambiance. Explore the latest trends, clever furniture arrangements, and color schemes that will elevate your living room to new heights. Whether you're a fan of modern elegance, rustic charm, or vibrant statement walls, we've got you covered. Watch and get ready to reimagine your living room with style and personality.
Here are few living room design ideas, open and airy. Option for light, neutral colors to create a bright and open atmosphere. Use large windows and minimalist furniture to enhance the sense of space. Incorporate mirrors strategically to reflect light and make the room feel more expansive. Nature-inspired oases. Infuse natural elements like plants, wooden furniture, and earthy colors to create a calming and organic ambience. Consider large leafy plants and nature-inspired artwork to bring the outdoor inside. Bold statement wall. Choose a focal point and create a statement wall with vibrant wallpaper and accent color or eye-catching artwork. This adds personality and interest to the room while keeping the rest of the decor relatively neutral. Mix of patterns and textures. Combine different patterns and textures through throw pillows, rugs, and upholstery. Smart and functional. Incorporate smart home technology seamlessly into your design with hidden charging station, smart lighting, and integrated entertainment systems. Choose furniture that serves multiple purposes, optimizing functionality in a stylish way. Remember, personalizing these ideas based on your preferences and lifestyle will make your living room truly unique. Thanks for watching.